Check 1, 2. Good afternoon, good evening. Apologies for the slightly late start. People in my Discord server can't behave themselves, unfortunately. So I was just trying to deal with that a little bit. Anyway, today we're going to do a bit more Discord bot development. We've got two things on the agenda. We've got a bug that was mentioned in feedback, which has been on our bug queue for a while now, as low priority. So I'm probably just going to deal with that now anyway. And we've got another bug, which is a more severe bug, with the coin flip command that we worked on the other stream. And the issue with that is you can submit multiple coin flips whilst waiting for someone else to accept, and in theory it allows you to coin flip more money than you actually have. So we need to fix that. But I think to start with, we're going to go into the crates thing and just quickly fix that, the issue with duplicates. Hello, are you going to open? Thank you. It should literally just be that. And that's now fixed. That was easy. There's also debuggy shit going on here. This was when we were testing FX. We need to add the Mythic randomizer back in. We still haven't added that back in. No wonder no one gets any. Damn. No wonder. Oh. Yeah. No wonder nobody gets any mythics out of crates, because you can't. Let's do else if chance equals 100. Yeah, because mythics aren't physical cosmetics, are they? I think we can leave it as that for now. I'm sure someone will pick up eventually. Hopefully it's not too OP, it's like 1 in 100 chance. So that's that sorted. So let's get on with the coin flip one, and that's up here. And the issue we're having, I think, we've got to figure out what part of it is responsible for the... I mean, there is an easy way of doing it, and I didn't want to do it this way to begin with because it was a bit annoying, because you're... I feel like at the moment, from the point we established that we're going through with it, what I'm thinking is we take the balance out at the point of them requesting the coin flip. Do people follow? Do people think that's a good idea? Just gonna wait for live chat to catch up. Okay, so apparently my display of stream chat doesn't work. Oh well, I tried. Rip. I guess that means we should just, like, you know, we could just move this here. Let's put that there. No, I hate that. Where can we put this? No, that's not readable. I guess we could put it there. Since stream chat doesn't work on screen, which is big rip. Anyone got any thoughts? Is Matt about to stream? I'm already streaming, boy. Yeah, do people think we should just, you know, take the amount out of the balance to begin with? Okay, let's get rid of this. Let's just change the logic of how all this works. I don't think we're going to be changing much. So, what we do is we do a pointer request. So before we even send that message, to be fair, we do add coins, and then it's got to be negative float of amount. If then the user of the target accepts, we then do the same with the target. And then if the user wins, they get it back. And if the target wins, they get it back. And that should prevent like issues from like, it doesn't stop you submitting multiple coin flips at one go, but what it does do is prevent you from submitting more coin flips than your balance can actually afford. So I think that's the best way of doing it. I think that's the easiest fix. Some manager's gonna have to give Frank. Was it Frank who spotted it? Whoever spotted that bug is gonna need I think because it's medium severity, it's like 5,000 XP. MM's gonna need like 2,500 for the low severity, even though it was already 9. Just somebody with manager permissions do that. Parrot, if you're watching. I'm trying to think then. Since we've done that, that was actually a pretty quick fix. I was planning on the coin flip bug fix taking a little bit longer, but that's a pretty simple fix, to be fair. Anyone got any suggestions, like a new command or something, then we can add? We might as well go for 3.6 or something. We're on 3.5.1 at the moment, although that value didn't get updated. RIP. Probably because it hasn't restarted properly yet. Oh yeah, that's a point. Guess what dies tomorrow? Oh, you know, one day I'll do that command right first time. Ultron gets full reboot tomorrow. Rest in peace, Guardian uptime. That is gonna be a big rip. Anyway, does anyone have suggestions for commands or something? Come on, give me something to do. What am I working on? You tell me. That's the idea! Oh god, give me something to do. Someone. This bug fix was meant to take longer. And it didn't. It took 5 minutes, so we can test it later, but... Come on, let's come up with a new command here. Let's add something new into... Wilfred, what's it? Can we grab something out of feedback? Is there anything in here that was just like needs doing? Oh, I have been pinged. Remake tags. What do you mean remake it? You're gonna need to be more specific about remaking it, and in a way that conforms with, well, means that we're not gonna get into crap with the developer terms of service. That's why it got removed to begin with. Just because, like, oh yeah, people can submit inappropriate things to this and make the bot do inappropriate things, and then we're liable for that for whatever reason. So we removed it. I'm thinking of adding back exclamation mark bow. Tags should not have been removed in the first place. They weren't. I mean, you can still ask as a member of staff to add a tag. The tag system is still there. Like, I mean, the code's a mess, but it works. So I think, oh my god, it's horrible. I mean. I mean, it's not really worth cleaning this up because it's not really used anymore. But yeah. I mean, we have that, I think. That definitely got added at some point. Apparently it didn't, but I could have sworn it did. Okay. Interesting. You can add a delete command, I guess. I guess that's something we can do. Everyone knows the level. It was always level 30 to begin with. I don't think it was ever level 15. Level 15 is too easy to get to. You can get to level 15 in like a day if you really tried. I believe. Oh, she updated it. It was always a level 30 thing. Not like anyone abused them anyways. Yeah, true. I think it's the possibility of that. And Frank wasn't happy. I mean, that's why we've got problems with Guardian at the moment. I mean, I guess we could rework the tag command to make it like a submission-based system and then staff have to approve it. But I feel like that's out of scope for something we can do in one live stream. Because I think that would require a complete rewrite of the whole thing. Because as it stands... Actually, no, this is probably the best time to do it if we're going to do that. Because I was going to say, as it stands, there's no way to tell the difference between a pending tag per se and an approved one. And the only way to do that would be to make database changes. Direct changes to the database structure, which we're only really able to do during a maintenance period because it requires a restart of a few things. But we've got a maintenance period tomorrow, so we could do it tonight and then push in the changes for that tomorrow. That's something that's doable, but I'm trying to think what's it worth over just re-enabling the command. That said, at the moment, the way level commands are working, and I'm trying to see if there's other commands that are level locked at the moment. There are, but the way we've been doing it, and it's appalling. And if anyone can, someone actually give me like a better way of doing it because I actually hate it. But we just had a very long if statement containing all the possible roles for a level roll above a certain level, because it was originally, this whole thing was originally designed when you leveled up, you didn't ditch the previous level roll. You just got another roll on top of the roll you already had. So it didn't really matter. We would just assign it to whatever roll was level 30, and that would be fine because you'd always have that roll once you got to level 45, 60, and so on. So it wasn't an issue then because we would just have one roll in there, and then suddenly, I don't know where this change came about. I don't know who made this change or why we came to like make that change. I think it's because like some people have like a ridiculous amount of rolls or something. I'm not sure why this came about, but we started removing previous level rolls so you don't have one level roll. And when we did that, all the level locked commands broke, and then we later realised, oh yeah, because it only checks for that one roll. And then we added all the other rolls, which were like level 30 commands was fine because, I mean, back then there was only rolls up to level 60. Now there's like rolls up to level 90. It's like ridiculous. You'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're checking against all of them. So, can you check if users has... I mean, one way of dealing with it, and this was my initial thought, was to do it based on their highest roll's position. And that would work. But then, see, this is why it's really annoying. Can I bring up rolls? I can't. This is the problem. So at everyone is 0 or 1 or something, I don't know. And then it goes up, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. There's a problem. The custom tags go below the level rolls. So the second a new custom like roll tag gets made, all the roll positions change. Now I guess a way around that would be to get the position of the level roll that is like required, and then check if the user has a roll position equal to or above that. I guess that is a way of doing that. Yeah, this was a change that happened ages ago, and I honestly can't remember why we did it. I mean, it definitely looks cleaner. I mean, how many rolls would I have right now at level 90? It's ridiculous. I mean, I'm almost at level 100. Do I get a roll for level 100? Petition for a level 100 roll. I'm pretty sure levels get capped at 100 as well. I'm really intrigued to see what happens if I get to 100, whether I'll go over it or not. Or if it's even possible. I mean, it has happened before from bugs where people have got so much XP that they've leveled up from, like, say level 99 and then just completely skipped level 100 and then it completely breaks the check logic. But I can't remember if the check logic's there anymore. I can't remember if we removed that cap back in Varsity 3. Oh, this is really annoying. Negative levels. That was even more of a pain in the neck. It was, so, you know when Leah basically gave everyone, or I think she gave herself some, like, ridiculous amount of XP, and it was so ridiculous that it stack overflowed, and it went negative, and that's why Wilfred crashed from it, and it's also why Ultron actually really struggled with it, because it kind of got into this infinite loop of trying to process the level ups, because it was trying to level up, and then it went, suddenly the levels went negative, and then the XP went negative, and then the equation to calculate how much XP you need to level up then was like, oh yeah, negative XP, and of course you're above that amount, and then it's trying to level you up again, but then as it tries to level you up and it gets as far as it can go, and it was just stuck in an infinite loop. The only way to stop it was just to kill the bot. And we couldn't even SSH in. It was absolutely killing the CPU resources on Ultron. I think we had to force restart Ultron at that point. I can't remember how I dealt with that. All I remember is screaming about it. People got screamed at for that. I say people, like one person. Premise that Discord is going to sue you or anything like that. That's not what I'm worried about. I'm worried about my account getting terminated. I don't care about that. That's not going to happen. Because Wilfred's like in one server, it's fine. Guardian, it's a bit more of an issue because if it gets into 10,000 servers, there's more of a risk that someone could do something with it that would cause bigger problems. Or we cock up some GDPR thing. Yeah, there's a lot of moving parts when it comes to a bot that's in lots of servers. But Wilfred, who's in one server, it's not as big of a deal. That said, there's still the risk that my account will get terminated or the server will get deleted. I mean, we all remember what happened with David AI. And this developer guidelines thing didn't even exist back then. So now there's this explicit thing telling you this is what could happen. So it's an awkward one. I don't think it's going to be that much of a deal. I think we've got enough moderation to deal with any tag abuse very quickly if we add in a delete command. The only difficulty is figuring out how the hell to do these role permissions. I'm gonna pull my hair out. Actually, why? I've just something. Sorry, it's just hit me. Why are we checking roles? Why are we checking roles? Why don't we just get the user's level and go, is their level above or equal to 30? Yes, they can use the command. Why are we checking roles? Oh my god. Oh dear. Yeah, okay. We'll just get the user's level, and I think we can do that from get profile. So what we need is a delete command first. Internet, can you stop dying? That is what I've been saying for the last 4 months. Asking it politely and screaming at it to not break or die tends not to actually do anything, which is really annoying because yeah, it's a pain in the neck. But I found screaming and complaining the internet doesn't work doesn't fix it. I mean, in my case, We can't even pay Sky to fix it, so you know, it's fun. Oh, I want a Dell alias for this as well. Does it matter? No, it does not matter. I feel like we could probably just get this into the same if or if here. Actually, no, that's a bad idea. Because then it's just gonna go over. Oh, I was wondering why that else wasn't doing anything. It's because there's nothing here. Okay. Tag. So the tag name is always args2. We don't care about any other details because we're just trying to get the tag name. Poll for the chat. Do we want a... I smell SQLI. You smell SQLite? It's not SQLite. Well, it used to be. It's not anymore. Actually, no, I think in this case it still is. It's Guardian doesn't use it anymore. We've ditched it for Guardian, but I don't think we've ditched it for Wilfred yet. I don't know. I don't know if we've already updated the execute query and DB query procedures yet to just route to our actual proper real database rather than using SQLite. I don't know. I guess we can check, but I can't remember what utils thing. Yeah, if I check and it has been changed, it's going to leave database credentials, isn't it? There's a reason we don't go in now on stream. So let's not. Right, let's go with this. And then... I guess the problem... Okay, I think we're gonna have to like actually check the tag exists. And we'll just... Why the hell are we getting the tag name when we know what the name is? What the hell? Oh god, who wrote this? Probably Leah. Oh god. It's horrible. It's horrible. Make it stop. So I guess we'll just do this as like a quick sanity check. Oh, sorry, yeah, that's what's the industry replacing the term sanity check with now? Confidence check or something like that? I don't know. I'm gonna keep calling it sanity check. I don't care. Just do like a quick sanity check and be like, does this tag actually exist? So if the length of tag is equal to 0, which means tag does not exist, we need to give some form of output. ctx.send. There is no tag with that name. Since we're not following normal error conventions for Wilfred and Harry, oh Jesus Christ. Oh yeah, what was that thing Parrot did the other day? We didn't get output from it. Was it the echo command? We can fix that while we're at it as well. Somebody remind me. SQL injection. No, it's sanitized. It's been sanitized for a while. In database PY, it's been sanitized for a very long time in there. Although I can't exactly remember how it was sanitizing it. I know it's sanitized. It's been tested. Frank tried to really, well, I mean, Frank just tried to see if he could insert malicious things into the database, and Leah just tried to see if she could delete it. Leah being Leah, seeing if she can actually delete the database, which she can do quite well. As we all know, she has done it twice. Accidentally, in quotation marks. Okay, so we'll do an else. So we now know a tag doesn't exist with that name, so it does exist even, so we do SQL.execute underscore query. I seriously need to change the database name to VastiDB. Oh god. Delete from tags. Oh god. SQL delete. Is it delete from? Delete from tags. Or what? Delete from table now. So delete from tags where? Yeah. Okay. Where name is equal to. Yes, I'm using percent variables or whatever they're actually called. Deal with it. I don't want your f string. Let's go away. Well, she did delete it, yes, twice. Unfortunately, the second time she did it, we actually had a relatively recent backup instead of the previous time where the last backup was like a week old because she did it just before the bloody Oh, no, it was because she deleted the daily backup as well. Why not add a cap to the amount of XP or money the eco command can give? Nah, I said I would do that if somebody messed about with the command again and it caused the bot to crash, and I said I'd do that. It's not really needed, to be honest, because the only people that can use those commands are managers, and they're supposed to have common sense. So I don't want to put constraints on it. Okay, and then what? We can just do ctx.send tag as. Right, okay, so we've got a tag delete command now, which means Parrot can delete all his tags that he accidentally created, trying to make an image tag and fail at making an image tag because the command's slightly different for images. So we've done that. Now we just need to change this. Oh, sorry. I think helpers is fine. Helpers hopefully doesn't have anything bad in it that I'm going to suddenly rush over and reset the token. Rare sense, correct, actually, yeah. Oh come on, where's all the fetch stuff? Where is it? That's the get rank thing for the where's get profile? There definitely is a get profile. Oh my god, oh my god, it's not even elif, it's, oh my god. No. Oh my god, Leah. Oh my god, you just like got random comments left over. Oh my god, no, I'm not looking at that. I'm not dealing with that. I am not dealing with it. Okay, so what we can do, and you know what? We'll just put it in. If get profile ctx.author.id, and I think it was position 1 is equal to or greater than 30. Now that should be right, in theory. I mean, we'll be able to test it because I don't have either of these roles, so we can give that a go. Have I done that right, or is it greater than and equal or equal to? Is it that? Oh my god, I can't remember. Coin flip. Oh, we didn't do it in there. Okay. Shop might use it. Yeah, it's... Okay, yeah, I did have it around before I did. So it's that way around, so greater than or equal to. Right? Yes, okay, my brain is now working. So, theory, that should work. Now we get the fun of pushing up the files, and then someone's actually going to have to reload them, because I don't think Lee is around. She decided she was just going to disappear just as the stream was starting, and I was like, oh, okay, thanks, because I kind of need someone to moderate the Discord, considering people are losing their crap all over the place, as usual. Right. Commands. So what if oh, we need to update eco as well. Let's do that while we're at it. Eco. Yeah, I think I can see the issue. Can anyone else spot the issue? Can anyone else spot the issue that when Parrot tried to set his balance, it didn't give him an output? Can anyone spot the issue? Screenshot it. What did you just see? Probably hell. I'd imagine that's the level up. Well, the one for the rolls at least. It was. Oh, I don't ever want to look at that again. I'm gonna have to deal with that at some point. That can be another stream. That's gonna take an entire stream to clean up. Oh god. Why is there so much white space around? Oh god. Yeah. Anyone screenshot what the issue is and put it in random stuff. As to why Parrot didn't get an output when he tried to set his balance. So it's a pretty obvious one, to be honest with you. No. That's fine, Pixel. Because we're setting members balance to, instead of saying removing amount from members balance. It's it's not that. That wouldn't cause it to break. That would just cause the output to look very weird. I mean, yeah, you've screenshotted the entire thing, Bad. That's not highlighting the problem, is it? Like, screenshot the little area where the problem is. And I don't mean like literally like the character, but like what part of the code is wrong. And I don't mean it by line either. No, not line. I know that line is wrong because we've already seen when Parrot tried this that his balance did get set, but he didn't get an output. Why? I think Bad went on the same lines as Pixel, as the values being in the wrong order. Again, that wouldn't break it. You would just end up with like a weird thing where it would be like set and then like 50 balance to member name. Oh come on, this is an easy spot. Come on guys, I'm disappointed here that you haven't spotted this yet. I mean, seriously, it's not it's not a hard spot. You don't even need to know programming to spot this. So it's not to do with the order in which we've got the values in here, but it is to do with the values. Okay, that's the only hint I'm giving you. It's to do with the values. Something with the values is wrong. Volk is complaining it's hard. Is that because is that on my end or what? Oh. Why is the stream so low quality? Or is that just because I'm on preview? I want to go into the actual stream real quick. I'm worried that we might actually be streaming at like a ridiculously low thing. Oh no, we got 720. That's fine. Anyone figured? Oh, it's you being in the middle of nowhere. Okay. I looked at the stream preview for a minute. I was like, it's not gonna let me go above 360p. What the hell? For a minute, I thought either my internet bandwidth had just completely decided that it wasn't gonna go above like 2 megabit upload, or my OBS configuration was bad. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna make the most of the bandwidth I've got at the moment because Sky seem intent on like every week slowing our bandwidth more and more. I don't know why. You'd have thought it started going back up now, considering you got more and more people slowly going back to work, but no. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I think I pointed this out in another stream. Has anyone figured it out yet? Come on! Look, I'll put the code back up on screen. Come on. Someone figure it out. I already know what it is. I'm not making you guys figure it out because I'm too lazy. Because it's quite obvious. And it's quite funny as well. Someone's gonna figure it out. Someone's gotta figure it out. Come on. Come on, use your brains. What's wrong in this general area? Like, ignore the fact it's a programming language. Think of it as plain English. What's wrong? Oh my god. Is no one gonna get this? Someone's gotta get it eventually. We're not moving on with the stream until someone gets it. Someone's gonna get it. Someone's gonna have to get it eventually. Come on, Volk. Volk can do it. If Volk gets it on 420p before anyone else, I'm gonna be disappointed. Volk, everyone's gone that way. And the order is the same on set coins as ad coins. It's always been the target and then the value. But Instagram finally got it. Yes, name was spelled wrong. It was spelled with an M, not an N. Well, for the third character anyway. I almost said third byte for a minute. Like, I've been doing too much mainframe stuff when I start referring to characters as bytes. You know you've been on a mainframe for too long in that day. You start referring to characters as bytes. Yeah, that's what was wrong with that. Right, let's push all these changes. I would update the build value, but I'll do that tomorrow along with the maintenance. Because it's in the same file that contains the token. Gonna add traits. Mythics are now enabled properly. And what? I've actually forgotten what we're doing. Coin flip's been fixed. So what? It was coin flip, crates, economy. Oh, and tag. That's what we've just been working on. If I ever remember to, what, update the build value? I'll update the build value at maintenance. That's generally when I do it, to be fair. Right, okay, I need a manager. Is Parrot still around? I need a manager to run some commands. I don't have turns. And if no one runs the commands, I'm just going to force restart the entire bot just to refresh it. And I don't want to force restart the entire bot. There's a reason we have reload commands. Maybe I should give myself permissions to run these commands. I'm going to pin Leo as well in case there's by some miracle she's around. Reload commands dot crate. Is it crate or crates that it's actually saved as? I know both aliases work, it's crate. Reload commands dot coin flip. Commands dot economy. Someone run those. At some point. It's going to be really awkward now if Parrot's bogged off because we're going to be stuck. Well, we're not going to be stuck, I'll just restart the whole bot. But I'd rather if we could reload the commands. I don't like... What's the uptime on... Actually, the uptime's not that great because something crashed it earlier, isn't it? So the uptime actually doesn't need worry. Yeah, Wilfred crashed earlier because... Why did it crash again? Oh yeah, Discord's new reply thing crashed it. I'm not sure if Frank's pushed in the library changes yet, but we need to fix that. Okay, so crates is reloaded, so now if we get a duplicate, that should be fine. I believe it was... Okay, Parrot, if you're watching the stream, Frank. That's painful, just so he doesn't get it wrong. Frank Keller, 5,000. Okay. Right, okay. Let's do tag, create. Parrot is bad. Parrot is very bad. Okay, so that's worked. And now if I do... Okay. I guess rip MM. Is MM not here? Oh! He left. He rage quit. Oh, okay. I mean... Parrot, I said 5,000. Who's the first person? And then would appear they left. Oh well, I'm not really going to complain. Right, Parrot, do you want to try and delete the tag I've just made? A 4H min. Oh my god, mate. If you can't tell, my brain this evening... It's very tired, okay? I cannot type properly. Also, don't you love having to watch your stream on data? Rip, I'm using your data. If he's gone away, does it matter? No. I mean, I'm not really that fussed, to be honest. In the nicest possible way, I'm not that fussed. I mean, people leave it here all the time, and usually they're like back in like a couple of days. Or in Pixel's case, he leaves for about 4 months and then comes back. I don't know if Parrot's on stream. Oh, okay, Parrot's not listening. Parrot, are you listening? Did Discord break shit with WebSockets? Volk, have you... Oh, can you try to delete the tag I made? If you... let me scroll up. I'm not going to do it because it will just crash the bots again because I don't know if we've got the fix in yet. No, it wasn't that. Oh yeah, it was that. This. I hope this isn't just a thing that happens when you... Tag delete Parrot is back. Why has that not worked? It's because it's not A-word. Every time. Every time. Okay, let's just quickly see if the tag no longer exists anyway. Okay, so it did delete it. It's just A-weighting the outputs. Let's upload it. Make it give an output before I break the bots again. Yeah. Yeah, Volk, that's what happened when Wilfred crashed and Guardian crashed as well, but it rebooted itself like it's meant to. It was back up in like 10 seconds, I think. Because the weird thing, because Guardian doesn't actually... Guardian, the bot's application, doesn't run in a WebSocket. Like, it's not the traditional client.run thing. It's got its entire back end, and then it has. I think there's one Python file or like script that handles all the gateway connection. So the bot's always running, even if it disconnects from Discord, it's still running. And then the second it reconnects, if it picks up any of the gateway events that it missed, it'll just process them then. Well, not all of them. It will ignore. I'm trying to remember what it ignores. I think it ignores events over 5 minutes old, and I think it ignores commands that are over 2 minutes old, I think. Right, let's try again. Tag, create, parrot is still bad. Yeah, I mean, if we were relying on Discord connection to have the bot application running, then the uptime would not be 8 months. It probably wouldn't even get to a week. I mean, especially given the gateway connection refreshes every time. Okay, that appears to have worked. Right, what's up? Parrot. Oh, is this going to be a time when the only thing that didn't work is because I didn't await some stuff? Okay, can someone please, like, Parrot's balance needs to be purged. Parrot's balance needs equal distribution. Yay! It gives output now. We can all go back to sleep knowing that Parrot will not be able to break the bot. I don't think what else we can do to stream. I feel like there's still like 12 minutes of content to fill. I want to go for an hour. What else can we do? Think of a quick command. Anyone got a quick command? Should we bring back the balance command? I want to bring back the balance command. That was a good command. It was useful. People have been moaning at us to bring it back for ages, haven't they? Yeah, Parrot, you're ridiculously close to leveling up. Oh dear. Should we add a balance command? Do you think we can get a balance command written and tested and properly working in under 11 minutes? Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's steal a command that basically has nothing in it because I still haven't made a command template. Duplicate it. We'll call it balance. Go on, let's speed run making a bot command. Let's go. Right. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Balance equals get underscore profile ctx.author.id 0. I think it's like the first thing that gets returned by it. Yes. Okay, then we need to make the embed. Embed equals discord.embed. You currently have balance. That's not going to be in string format, so I need to make it a string. Okay, and then we'll do color equals color.primary. I think it's capital. It's not. Right, okay, that's done. And then embed.set underscore author title equal no, it's not title, it's name equals balance. Okay, and then ctx.send and a way to try to get to do that again. ctx.send embed equals embed. I think what are we missing? I don't think we're missing anything. Let's add some aliases in actually. Let's do that. Do we have any alias things so I can just copy it from another command because I'm lazy? Yes, CoinFlip has aliases. Okay, let's do it. command alias is going to be bow. And money. Cool. Right, that's done. Let's now refresh this. And then hopefully Parrot's still going to be around so we can quickly run this. Let's through Parrot. I need you to load it. Load commands.balance. Let's go. Come on. I'm just going to quickly look over this, make sure I haven't cocked it. I want to add an exclamation mark to that, but it's fine. Yes. It's a new command. We can't reload a command that doesn't exist. Cock. Oh, we were so close. I'm trying to think what didn't work. Probably that. Can I find another embed that... Come on! Tag choose embeds, right? Okay. Just try it without the English spelling. Reload it. Again, please. Come on! We're on the clock here! Imagine being outside. Oh god, tell me about it. Yeah, imagine. I don't know, what is the outside? The rare outside. What is it? What's a road? What's Rossing? What's Rossing the road? Oh dear. Maybe it was Parrot that wrote the set command for the economy. Maybe that's why it didn't work. Listen, right? No one told me this. Thank you, Bad. I will implement that next stream. Oh my god. Yeah, that would save some code redundancy. Although, to be fair, it's not really much, it just references another function. Parrot, come on! True Parrot, we're against the clock! We're against the clock! Come on, Parrot! I feel like I've been... No, I haven't. If I have, I was probably busy. Come on, Parrot, we need to get this done in 6 minutes. We need this command working and running and fully tested. Thank you. Oops. Okay, it doesn't work. We need to now refer to the logs as to why it doesn't work. And while I do that, I'm also going to try and see if I can spot anything obvious. I do offer it. What the hell? Oh my god, Google, can you stop signing me out for like 1 minute, please? Yeah, being signed into more than one Google account at a time, Google's implementation of it is dreadful. It's really annoying. Because the problem is, the way it determines what user you're logged in as is it puts this thing like auth user equals number in the URL. So it's just like you have to explicitly put in the URL what user you're logged in as. It doesn't like memorize it in cookies or cache or anything. Really, really annoying. Hey? Eh? Ah, I spot it. I spot it. Why did no one else spot that? Come on, guys, you let me down here. Reload, reload, reload. Stress tester met with a 6-minute command. Success! It works! Right, that counts as fully tested and working. Thank you very much. We did that in 7 minutes. 4 minutes to spare. Parrot, I hate you. I haven't implemented that and I don't want to. I'm not doing that. Do I have to do that in 4 minutes? Oh no, I've got to do this in 4 minutes. Oh, I hate everyone. Discord. Oh no. Target equals none. No, how do you use converters? I can't remember. Oh god, where? CoinFlip has it. We did everything proper in CoinFlip. Okay, fine. CoinFlip is fine. Okay. If target equals none, else balance equals get underscore profile target.id 0, and we'll just like, I don't know, target equals ctx.author. I can't be asked. And then %s, and then we'll do ctx.author.mention. Right, let's go. Up. Thanks, Volk, I'll add that in. What? Because I did that, because I'm an idiot, and also I can't English. We've got 2 minutes, come on. Boom! Ease! Parrot, I hate you! At balance.error? What the hell? Async def on balance error. CTX. CTX.send. Something went wrong. Did you provide a valid user? No, it doesn't work. Volk, what's the bloody that error thing? I'm gonna refer to Guardian's thing because we use it in Guardian. Oh, we're out of time. Okay, I count that as a win. We made a command and it was functional. You know, if we didn't have Parrot, it would be fine, right? You know? That's a win. We did the command. The command worked and then Parrot broke it, okay? It's nothing to do with me. It was all Parrot. Okay? It's fine. I'm just gonna aggressively... Oh my god, it's... Oh my god. Come on. Technically, we're still at... Not reload, load. Won't reload now because it's unloaded it. Oh, it doesn't work. Because I didn't await it. God damn it. Oh my god, Parrot, I hate your existence. This is ridiculous. Come on, Parrot. I mean, we're not against the clock anymore. You kind of ruined that for all of us. Yeah, I always forget them. Found no. Okay, it doesn't work. On that saying I take one positional argument but 3 were given. Oh, I hate my life, I hate my life, I hate my life, I hate my life. Okay, leave me alone. Discord. What Discord? Everything. Reload! Again. Okay, I hate my existence now. Takes 2 positional arguments, but 3 were given. You what? No? No? Well, what's going on with this? I don't like this. It's being stupid. Just Google it. Wow, this is all the code behind it. Let's have a look. No, I don't actually care. No, I need it in the... Okay, that works too. Def on command error. CTX/error. Or an error. Does it want self passed in? Like, what's going on here? Volk, I'm gonna need you to explain what's going on here. It doesn't work. I mean, the command works, so I don't care, but this doesn't work. I don't know, does it want itself passed in? I don't... oh, of course, yes. It does want self passed in. Because it's a cog. So it's getting past self and it doesn't know what to do with it. Reload! Maybe it will work this time. Can't believe you get so few views with so many subs. It's big. It's a big oof, but it's probably because I didn't upload for a year and you know, YouTube doesn't tell people I'm streaming. I have to tell my people in my Discord that I'm streaming. Most people. Yay! It works. We can all go to bed now. Yeah, YouTube doesn't tell people I'm streaming unless they've got notifications on, and I think most of my subs came around at a time when that wasn't really a thing you did. You didn't turn notifications on, because actually I'm not even sure if it existed back when I got most of my subs, which was from my Discord bot development series, but hey ho, not much you can do about it. You know, if I spam my Discord enough, maybe more people will join. You know, I try and promote myself on my Snapchat and Instagram, and no one cares! I have been spammed to death on my phone. So, we've hit the hour mark. We got the balance command working. I'm now just sitting here waiting to see if Parrot breaks it again. Parrot, are you done stressing me out? This is going to be the moment where he breaks one of the other commands that we've just fixed. Or this way, you open a crate or something and suddenly get a mythic and it won't give him $25, it will give him like 2,500 or something like that. Because it's Parrot. I feel like we should add an Easter egg into the code that whenever Parrot runs a command, it just tells him no. Just so Parrot can't report bugs. You know? Oh, there's an unread in here, which usually means an error report. Or someone's found a bug. Is there any... No, there's nothing. Cool. Let's have a look. What's happened with Guardian? Oh, it was just Frank and Dog talking. I've read these messages. God damn it, Discord. Discord keeps marking messages I've read as unread, and it's really annoying. Pixel is just like, okay, boomer. Who's that? The person in chat, or is that me? I will 1v1 you. Watch me. The performer. Yep, ease. Ease. If you wish to defeat me, you must train for another 1,000 years. Oh god. Parrot. Okay, yes. Cool. I'm walking again. Imagine walking. Can I go to sleep now then? We eagerly await the answer. We'll see. We'll see. You can't leave me on a cliffhanger like that. Yes or no? Come on, you can't leave me on a cliffhanger like that. Maybe. Yes or no? Alright. Oh, god damn it. I wanted to end the stream on the drop and you wouldn't let me. I feel violated. Yes or not? Yes or no? Okay, I give up. I give up. I can't even. I cannot even. Anyway, that's going to wrap up this stream for today. Parrot, I'm making you do the next spot update now. I can't be asked. You're doing the next one. And then I'm going to break it. See how you like it. I'm going to make you... I'm going to come up with like a really complicated command for you to make. And then I'm going to break it. Because I'm a horrible person. But can you alt? What? Can you alt? Well, on that bombshell, thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Which will probably be next week. I stream regularly on Wednesdays. Bye.